There is an energy field within all things, pervading the finite and infinite. This is the great mystery, or the unexplainable essence behind life. There are many human explanations to this inexpressible field of potential. Each explanation is attempting to be like a vessel scooping into this essence, drawing it out and putting a label on it. This philosophy, that spiritual teaching, this approach. People can get identified on the vessel holding the essence and the label trying to define it. Then get opinionated, judgmental or dogmatic that their vessel is more true, more right or more spiritual than others. A measureless essence has now become a measurement. The vessel is now empty of truth and full of human concepts. To dissolve back to what is, go beyond all the measurements, ignore the teachings and the teachers, throw away the labels and go within, back into the soul of the universe, to what's before. And be like a flute to let the space of silence move through your vocal cords. This roaring silence of love, a benign allness, singing the notes of an us. Boundless, edgeless resonance, dancing in and out of form, not two, but one power. This power is love. Spinning particles, rotating galaxies and beating our hearts. An essence within all of us that never leaves us, for it is us. One family, one power. We are never alone, for we are the heartbeat of the universe.